It's October 1st and the build continues on the couch. I've been weeding the yard all day, allowing Corey to have plenty of room to be able to install the armrest and the back of the couch. I also, last night, stained the wood that was going to be behind the couch back. And I polyurethaned that shelf behind the couch back. So it looks like the whole thing is part of the couch. Now we're trying to work out what to do with the front of the couch, because we'd really like it to have folding access doors. But the frame is kind of hard to work with. It's really hard to drill. It was old bed frames that we picked up on the curb. Actually, almost everything in here we picked up on the curb. The armrest finials, they came off of a coffee table someone was throwing out. The armrests themselves came from Property Control for 50 cents. And the back of the couch was a bed headboard that someone was throwing out. So yeah, everything is reduce, reuse, recycle, and this is what we've made out of our crazy camper. It is getting there. Lord, I hope we get to take this someplace soon. Always an adventure?
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.